Okay, this video is going to show you how to put the miter cut on parts A and B of your big joint house. So we're going to start with a new standard part file. So new standard part, hit create. We'll start with a 2D sketch, and I'll put that on the front plane there. We're going to draw our rectangle. Our rectangle is going to be 5 inches long for part B. However, if you remember the Pythagorean theorem, 5 inches is actually going to be a little bit more. When we calculate this out, we need to be exact. That is going to be 4.9497474. Okay, and then that's also by 3/4, so 0.75. Hit OK. There's your part. I'm going to go ahead and extrude this as a solid. Extruding 0.75. Say OK. Use the chamfer tool. The chamfer tool is found underneath this fillet tool or fillet tool. However you say it. I'm sorry, it's right next to the fillet tool. Chamfer is right there. There's an edge chamfer of 0.75. Click your edge that you're going to put your chamfer on. So your distance is 0.75, your edge is defined. Go ahead and apply that, and then you can save this part. Okay?